Welcome to Lesson 1.4, Build Persistent Context. This module, part of the hands-on Claude Code and Claude Skills course, is designed for software engineers. We will focus on writing a production-quality CLAUDE.md Project Memory File to enhance your AI workflows. The naive approach of starting Claude Code sessions cold leads to serious drawbacks. Without context, you face 20 to 40% token waste, inconsistent suggestions, and silent drift. The solution is to write and maintain a CLAUDE.md file once to provide persistent context. There are 3 failure modes without persistent context: lost context, silent drift, and redundant loops, all leading to wasted tokens and inconsistent code. The key is that Claude.md is read at session initialization before your first prompt, turning it into system context. This diagram illustrates how Claude Code processes information. Your repo, including Claude.md, is parsed during initialization to create context for the Claude API. This context is combined with your message for the final request. The parsing order is overview, tech stack, and current state. Token efficiency is a major benefit. A typical 16K budget includes tokens for Claude.md, code, and your message, with the rest for the response. A well-written Claude.md can save 20 to 40% of code tokens, reclaiming about 3,200 tokens per session for actual code changes. Your Claude.md file should be organized into 3 essential sections: overview, tech stack, and current state. These sections should be concise, around 150 to 250 words each, and contain factual information. Avoid including tutorials or deployment details. This is an example of what a Claude.md file looks like in Markdown format. It clearly outlines the project's architecture, key technologies, current migration status, known issues, and code conventions, all providing critical context. To verify that Claude Code is reading your file correctly, run the claude/status command. Look for key indicators like Claude.md, showing over 500 tokens, code availability above 10K, and token variance under 50. Remember to update this file regularly after refactors. Persistent context improves team workflows significantly. Metrics like clarity, stability, and consistency are improved. The team contract ensures the same baseline context, consistent suggestions, faster onboarding, and shared ownership of the project context. You can implement Claude.md in about 30 minutes. The steps involve creating the file, populating the 3 sections, running Claude/status to check, testing with a small task, and finally committing and pushing your work. This effort yields 20 to 40% token savings per session. The key takeaways are: establish a contract by documenting once, realize efficiency by saving over 3,200 tokens per session, keep fresh by updating every 2 weeks, and maintain consistency so your team shares the same baseline understanding across the 3 sections: overview, tech, and current state. For resources, you can find the docs at systemdrd.com and examples on GitHub. Run the Claude/status tool to verify your setup. Our next lesson is 2.1, Context Stacking. We also have suggested homework to deepen your understanding.